Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome, okay? If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a track with of fun. Yes, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. I'm really grateful, okay? But before we delve into what we have for today, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified, okay? Ngwan, kai gaban niru. Today's video is the completion of the 20 Igbo words in present and past tense and how they are used in sentences, okay? So you can check out my previous post. That was how this particular topic started, okay? Good. Let's continue. Number one on our list today is fall. Fall. Da, fall. Fell. Dal, fell. Da, fall. Dal, fell. Or da. Okay? Da, fall, dal, fell, or da, fell, da, fell. Okay? Now let's look at these sentences. Fall to the ground. Fall to the ground. Da, nana. Da, nana. Da, nana. Da, nana. Ana, ground or floor. Okay? Da, fall. Fall to the ground. Da, nana. Now let's look at fell. Dal. Or dal, nana. He fell to the ground. Or dal, nana. He fell to the ground. Da, nana. Fall to the ground. Dal, nana. Da, nana. Fell to the ground. Okay? The next one is think. Think. Che, think. Che, think. Thought. Cello. Or che. Cello. Or che. Thought. Think about it. Che makaya. Che makia. Che makaya. Che makia. Think about what I told you. Che maka iwe ngwa gị. Che maka iwe ngwa gị. Che, think. Thought. O chel maka ya. He or she thought about it. O chel maka ya. He or she thought about it. O chel maka ya. Or oche maka ya. Oche maka ya. He or she thought about it. Okay? The next one is enter. Enter. Ba, enter. Or banye. Ba or banye. Enter. Enter. Ba or banye. Entered. Bal or ba. Bal or ba. Entered. Enter. Banye or ba. Ba nime. Ba nime. Enter inside. Enter inside. Ba nime or banye nime. Banye nime. Enter inside. Obal nime. He or she entered inside. Obal nime. He or she entered. He or she entered. Obal or oba nime. Oba nime. Okay? Oba nime. He or she entered. Entered. Okay? Ba, enter. Balo, entered. Or ba, entered. Alright? Yes. The next on our list is day, To write. Write. De. Write your name. De afagi. De avagi. Remember I told you that ava is name. Name is ava or afa. Okay? Gi, you or your. So in this sentence we have de avagi. De afagi. Write your name. Okay, so the emphasis is on de, write, de. We have wrote, delu, delu, or de, de, or delu. O delu afagi. He or she wrote your name. Wrote, delu, delu, or de, wrote. De, write. De, write. De, write. De afagi. Write your name. Odelu afagi. He or she wrote your name. Odelu afagi. He or she wrote your name. Okay? And that's it. The next one is fall off. Fall off. Dafu. Dafu or dawu. Dawu or dafu. That is fall off. Okay? Then fell off. Dafulu. Dafulu or dawulu. Okay? Dafulu or dawulu for fell off. Fall off. Dafu. Dafu or dawu or dawu. Okay? Don't let it fall off. Ekwena ka or dafuo. Ekwena, don't let it. Don't let. Ekwena ka or it. Don't let it fall off. Ekwena ka or dafuo. Ekwena ka or dafuo. Ekwena ka or dawuo. Don't let it fall off. Ekwena ka or dawuo or ekwena ka or dafuo. It fell off. Odafulu, 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 or odawulu. Remember dafulu or dawulu for fell off. So it fell off. Odafulu, odawulu. Remember I told you that or can be he, she, or it. So in this sentence, or represents it. Alright? Yes. Dafu, fall off. Dawu, fall off. Dafulu, fell off. Dawulu, fell off. Okay? The next one is fall into. Fall into. Danye, danye, fall into. Danye. Okay? Fell into. Danielo, Danielo, or Danye. Danielo or Danye for fell into. Okay? While fall into. Danye, Danye, fall into. Danielo or Danye fell into. Okay? It fell into the water. Or Danielo n'ime mmiri. It fell into the water. Or Danye n'ime mmiri. Or Danielo n'ime mmiri. It fell into the water. Or Danielo na mmiri. Or Danielo na mmiri. It fell into the water. Or Danye na mmiri. It fell into the water. The next one is drink. Nwo, nwo, drink, drink. Now, there's something about this nwo, okay, in Igbo. Nwo has different meanings, okay? But today we are talking about drink, drink, nwo, drink, drink water. Nwo mmili, drink water. Nwo mmili, drink water. Drank, nwolo, nwolo, or nwo, nwo, or nwolo, nwolo, or ṅụ. Ọ ṅụrụ mmiri. He or she drank water. Ọ ṅụrụ mmiri. He or she drank water. Ọ ṅụrụ mmiri. He or she drank water. Ọ ṅụrụ or ọ ṅụrụ mmiri. He or she drank water. Okay, so we have ṅụọ for drink, then ṅụ or ṅụrụ for drank. Okay, drank. Very good. Now the next one is to eat something, like eat food. Okay, lie, lie. Then at we have lily, lily, or lee, lee, or lily. Okay, eat something. Lie ive, lie ive, something. Ife or ive. All right, ive or ife. Lie ive, lie ive, eat something. Then we have ate something. I ate something. Elim ive, elim ive. Remember the there is me. Elim, I ate something. Elilim ive, I ate something. Elim ive, okay, I ate something. So we have lie and li or lily. All right. The next one is carry away. Carry away. Pafu. Carry away. Pafu. Carry away. Carried away. Pafolo or pafo. Pafolo or pafo. Carried away. Then we have carry away. Pafo. Pafo. Carry away. Carry away. Pafo. Then pafolo or pafo is carried away. Okay, carry this bag away. Pafo akpa. Pafo akpa. Carry it away. Pafia. Pafia. Pafu ya. Pafu ya. Pafia. Pafia. Okay, carry it away. Carried it away. Pafolo ya. Pafolo ya. Or pafo ya. Pafolo or pafo ya. Okay, carry it away. Pafia. Pafo ya. Pafolo ya. Carried it away. Pafo ya. Carried it away. All right. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying with me. I believe you learned a thing or two. Afamka Wokwa Ngozika. Please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. I'm going to call you no gods. See you in my next video. Bye.